Hobbies of Vietnamese youth, going to eat fresh seafood buffet hot pot. In recent years, one of the outstanding hobbies of Vietnamese youth is going to eat fresh seafood buffet hot pot. With the combination of cozy space and delicious dishes, seafood buffet hot pot has become an ideal place for gatherings with friends or family. The special feature of seafood buffet hot pot is the diverse menu with fresh seafood dishes such as shrimp, crab, steamed crab, snails, grilled oysters. Each dish is attractively prepared, from fragrant grilled scallion oil to delicious fresh oysters, just grilled and fragrant. In addition, tamarind stir-fried mantis shrimp or steamed and boiled lemongrass are also favorite choices of many people, bringing rich, unforgettable flavors. Not only that, the interesting thing about buffet hot pot is that you can choose the ingredients yourself and prepare them according to your preferences. Seafood dishes are prepared right at the table. You can squeeze some lemon into the raw mantis shrimp dish or add spices to create a unique flavor for the meal. The feeling of creating the dish yourself is not only interesting, but also makes each meal more special. With a modern, comfortable space and delicious dishes, fresh seafood buffet hot pot has truly become an indispensable part of the fun of young Vietnamese people. Not only to enjoy, but also an opportunity to share, connect, and create memorable memories with friends and family. In addition to fresh seafood dishes, buffet hot pot also has another attraction, which is the variety of hot pot broth. You can choose hot and sour hot pot, seafood hot pot, or miso hot pot to combine with fresh seafood. Each type of hot pot broth has a unique flavor, blending with fresh ingredients, creating a nutritious and attractive meal. The feeling of dipping seafood into a boiling hot pot, hearing the sizzling sound and enjoying it immediately is an unforgettable experience. It is impossible not to mention the dining space at seafood buffet restaurants. These restaurants are often designed to be spacious, airy, with an open space, creating a comfortable feeling for diners. In particular, many restaurants also have separate areas for groups of friends or families, helping everyone to comfortably enjoy their meal without being disturbed. Enjoying fresh seafood dishes together, eating and chatting, are wonderful moments that young people always love. Not only a delicious meal, seafood buffet hot pot is also a place for young people to express their passion for food. Experimenting with new dishes, combining different ingredients, creating unique meals is an indispensable part of the lifestyle of today's youth. Sharing food together, discovering new flavors, and creating happy memories in every meal is the reason why fresh seafood buffet hot pot has become a very popular hobby. In short, fresh seafood buffet hot pot is not only a nutritious meal, but also an interesting experience, creating moments of connection between friends and family. With a diverse menu, comfortable space, and attractive dishes, this will definitely be an ideal choice for those who love to explore cuisine and seek new experiences. With the strong development of seafood buffet hot pot restaurants, young Vietnamese people have also known about places to eat that are not only delicious, but also bring a feeling of relaxation and fun. These restaurants are constantly being improved and innovated to suit modern culinary trends, while creating a comfortable space and good service so that customers can enjoy their meals to the fullest. In addition to fresh seafood dishes, side dishes also contribute significantly to enriching the buffet party. Fresh raw vegetables, fresh mushrooms and spices such as sauté, garlic, chili, fish sauce, or typical dipping sauces also make diners amazed. The feeling of dipping seafood into hot pot broth and waiting for the flavors to blend together is wonderful. The special thing about seafood buffet hot pot is the freedom and comfort in choosing dishes. Each person can decide for themselves what they want to eat and fully enjoy their favorite dishes. This is also the reason why hot pot buffet becomes the perfect choice for friends gatherings, birthdays, or festivals. Diners can share joy and excitement when enjoying dishes together in a cozy and vibrant space. Not just a meal, going to eat seafood hot pot buffet is also a journey to discover new flavors, an opportunity for everyone to enjoy the quintessential dishes of the sea. With affordable prices, guaranteed quality, and creativity in preparation, seafood hot pot buffet has become an indispensable part of the culinary culture of young Vietnamese people. Finally, it is impossible not to mention the crowd factor in seafood hot pot buffets. For young people, eating is not simply enjoying food, but also an opportunity to meet, exchange, and share interesting stories. Sitting around the hot pot with friends and family, eating and chatting, creates intimate and memorable moments. Therefore, fresh seafood buffet hot pot has become an attractive dining trend, suitable for the dynamic and ever-changing lifestyle of today's youth. Seafood has long been known as an important part of the diet of many people around the world, especially in Vietnam. Seafood dishes not only bring a special, rich flavor, but also provide many essential nutrients for the body. Below are the outstanding benefits and nutrients when eating seafood dishes. 1. Source of high-quality protein. Seafood is a rich and easily absorbed source of protein. Protein is an important component that helps build and repair body cells, promote muscle growth, and the immune system. Compared to red meat, seafood contains less fat and cholesterol, helping to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Seafood such as shrimp, fish, clams, oysters are all sources of complete protein, easy to digest, and have high nutritional value. Number 2, contains omega-3 fatty acids. Seafood, especially fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is a type of unsaturated fat that plays an important role in protecting cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of stroke, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining stable cholesterol levels. In addition, omega-3 also supports brain health, improves memory, and reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 3. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Seafood is a source of many essential vitamins and minerals for the body. Some vitamins found in seafood include vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and minerals such as zinc, iron, iodine, and selenium. Vitamin B12 helps produce red blood cells, while vitamin D is important in maintaining bone and tooth development. Selenium and iodine support thyroid function, helping to maintain stable metabolism and strengthen the immune system. 4. Good for bone and teeth health. Many types of seafood, such as shrimp, crab, clams, and mussels, contain large amounts of calcium and phosphorus, two important minerals that help maintain strong bones and teeth. In addition, the vitamin D content in some fatty fish helps the body absorb calcium more effectively, thereby preventing osteoporosis and bone-related diseases. 5. Improve immune function. Seafood contains many minerals and vitamins, especially zinc and selenium, which help strengthen the immune system, fight harmful bacteria and viruses. Zinc plays an important role in regulating immune function, helping wounds heal quickly, and maintaining overall health. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant, helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, while promoting immune function. 6. Supports weight loss and maintains body shape. With low calories and high protein, seafood is an ideal choice for those who want to lose weight or maintain body shape. Protein in seafood helps create a feeling of fullness for a long time, reduces cravings, thereby supporting the weight loss process effectively. In addition, seafood is low in saturated fat and does not contain much starch, helping to reduce the risk of fat accumulation in the body. 7. Anti-inflammatory, and it reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Many studies show that consuming seafood, especially fish rich in omega-3, can help reduce inflammation in the body. Omega-3 from seafood helps reduce chronic inflammation, reducing the risk of diseases such as arthritis, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. People who regularly eat seafood can reduce the risk of diseases related to inflammation, improving the quality of life. 8. Good for the skin. Minerals such as zinc and selenium in seafood also have positive effects on the skin. Zinc helps heal wounds quickly and maintain healthy skin. Selenium fights signs of aging and protects the skin from UV rays. In addition, fish oils also provide moisture to the skin, keeping it soft and smooth. Eating seafood not only brings delicious flavor, but also provides many health benefits. With abundant protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, seafood is an ideal choice to supplement nutrition in the daily diet. However, to ensure safety, consumers need to choose to buy fresh seafood with clear origin and process it properly to maximize its nutritional value.